This exam application tutorial is on the topic of nuclear power. The question for 6 marks is evaluate the use of nuclear power as a source of energy. Whenever you have to evaluate for 6 marks, just think of 3 advantages and 3 disadvantages of whatever it is you're evaluating. So I've listed many here, but you only need to pick 3 from each category. Firstly, let's look at advantages. Supplies of uranium are plentiful. In other words, it's very easy to find and extract uranium. Next, nuclear fission releases a lot of energy for a relatively low mass of fuel. So what this means is, let's say if you had a kilogram of coal and a kilogram of uranium, the uranium would release a lot more energy. It's more efficient. Huge advantage is you don't get greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide released from using uranium. So it doesn't contribute to climate change or global warming. Nuclear power is very reliable. And also fission reactions are easy to control, so you can basically output power according to demand. So pick 3 of these. You can obviously write more, but you don't have to. Now for the disadvantages. Obviously the biggest fear with nuclear power is risk of a nuclear meltdown. Nuclear power stations have very high setup costs. And similarly, trying to decommission a power plant safely can take decades. It's a very expensive and lengthy process to basically safely disassemble the nuclear power plant. Disposing of nuclear waste can be tricky because it remains radioactive. It needs to be put somewhere where it won't harm living organisms. And radioactive waste has a long half-life. In other words, it remains radioactive for a long time. So 3 from here, 3 from here, at least.